Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off or customize the action button on your iPhone 17 Pro. So the iPhone 17 Pro's action button is a really nice feature, but you might want to change what it does or even turn it off completely. So let's do that together. Open settings and you want to scroll down to action button section, and this will open the customization menu. So as you can see, now I have my silent mode. So let me demonstrate it to you. I have to hold my action button, and as you can see at the top of my screen, I'm now in silent mode, and I turn it off. So let's go back to settings, and in order to customize your action button, you just want to swipe those functions, and as you can see here, you have many of them. So check out those and decide which one works better for you. And if you want to turn it off completely, you can select no action in the end of the list, and this way your action button will have no function. But for example, let's say that I want to set my flashlight. So I select flashlight and I exit my settings, and now if I hold my action button, you can see that my flashlight is turning on, and vice versa, it turns off. So yeah, that's basically how you can turn off or customize the action button on your iPhone 17 Pro. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.